as a history student, your 3 countries and I'm doing some form on Tom Frau Africa be one Congo. And I'm say we are seeing open country or resources country be any we are sourcing Congo. Now I was studio here now. Only say Congo adiebi wa yeah, wo studio here now. Kotan I dey phone near there no.
iPhone ni
bia ne cobalt ni bibia the largest reserve no. E wo Congo. Now in fact, over climate change kura na Congo forest no. Say ye home carbon dioxide ne ade a enua na agi ni nyina ma Africa enye hye bebre no. Congo.
Unim say Mamenka wencho life tonic na ye papa future life otono every Congo forest
Congo forest
28 roots and every Congo forest or hono galam say ni ho
debi e natural unsa na ye free be carbon sink
per Congo forest
e forest e no na e man ye oxygen na ye nipa ye home no ye nso ne ye de babontin nya papa e free carbon dioxide nya enua e na eje Congo forest is the best we have in Africa. Nana omo cobalt, send me kind. Phone biane, iPhone, ne Android be a crow biane, tablet biano. Ko nana even voice forward no mama voice abo laptop use nyina ne computers cobalt wom. Copper, gold, coltan. Omo bibia they are the blessed country in the world. Manana country ne interesting. Nana say Ghana your 4 borders pe. Burkina Faso, Togo, Ivory Coast. Nana ko Congo say no border here. On the west, Omuboda Congo Ankasa, only our Democratic Republic of Congo. DRC is the second biggest country in Africa by area. By area. And I walk on the north from Central African Republic. And I countries that people know. And Jabeda Bokasa crew, Central African Republic. Over south easter, Omuboda South Sudan. Now, on the east, you know, that countries 3 Uganda, Rwanda, and Burundi. And then countries are mibodi no. I say, apart from Rwanda, no, now on the southeast, you know, that Tanzania, correct country. On the southeast, in almost about Zambia and about Angola. It's one country in the border countries in one 9.
Yeah, get the map.
Now, Nienten Tokwane Kosun, largely ethnic. This is my understanding of what Reuters is reporting. And your free group will be M23. M23 no largely led by Tutsis. And as a Rwandan genocide, ne ku nipa almost 1 million, ne Tutsi Hutsi. Now, Hutsi fono entokwane wie 1994 no omu jane ko Congo. And a man for believes say Congo abano because the Hutsi is the largest ethnic group no no ko army ni more. Say Ghana forces one ethnic group na kwa ana Tutsi fono so mo ntiase. Enti afa we yi akote ni militia. Militia just a group to create to near there aban recognize them. And a far way so no dwen say yesisi en fire adwuma yen ko military ni bi no enso ne omoko. So na largely Congo ntokwa no about 3 things. Ethnic war, resources. And misgovernance. Now, I say Africa now country are almost ethnic groups. Say Congo, almost 250 ethnic groups. It is our ethnic tensions, you know. Nana woho. Nana nentia Paul Kagame di bembebre ni say. Amanfo believe say Rwanda ko se M23 nechi.
Na onim Congo forest any bi ne dia to no. Galamsey bi ani ho.
Yes. And then so natural editing on my natural Congo forest is one of the purest forests you have in Africa. Tamanfo believe say Paul Kagame ni Rwanda ban akose M23 nechi. Because almost some resources from Congo. Then the from FRDL no and so ntiase it's na largely ethnic conflict. Congo asam no kojo so me one day na mi chema kirewa bebre.
No, this week we will do
they
that.
And sad na make 3 countries no. Asama make am for be dispute banana. Me 3 countries Africa omusi Africa be see. 1 Nigeria.
That's true.
Because of their population numbers. Now Nigeria is over 200 million. Also because of ethnic issues in Nigeria formerly 3 states. Ye refi ana omo ye Nigeria be 1 state and 1 country no. Nigeria population wise no. Now why is China the factory of the world today? Population. Why is India the factory of the world today? Population. The next country is South Africa. South Africa is the industrial hub of Africa. Because of apartheid furniture and anything, the whites did a lot of things. And even there are some school of thought in Ghana, ya need independence in Chama. In KB and Kaya structure and answer the base of industry in Africa and Kebaya more. So South Africa is also there. The next country, Nana Cote d'Ivoire, DRC. In fact, Nana DRC, Congo first in Suwa one open hydropower. Say the power that DRC can give us. I think the Kangayika for water, the Inga Falls.
Yeah.
So Nana, it clearly tells you say the unseen hands. Isn't a as a student of UW Mekase May 1963. Or kind speech a Kwame Nkrumah Mai, or kind speech a Julius Nyerere Maya, or catch and say Nana ya may one young Kambuma, the unseen hands. And a DRC Belgium the Dio Musu.
Yeah.
Omo de a mini pay. The nation and a drum the acid goonish. And they've never left us.
Yeah.
And I am a funny idea between institutions in now. Maybe say a chill. How can a country and national resources am about? Yet the people nana, many of them live below $1 a day. It is the second poorest country in the world. And so for me a crowd be a cobalt. They have the largest gold deposit in the world. Now, in fact, country be any more resources than Congo. Country be anywhere say. So, Nana, I'm when you're careful. South Africans so they're Nana important because Nana Ramaphosa and Paul Kagame are undoubtedly one of the influential leaders in Africa.
Yeah.
In Africa, a shaky. And now officially, Niger, Burkina Faso, Mali, ECOWAS. Officially, officially Mali, Niger, Burkina Faso, Omonka, ECOWAS. So nana oba West Africa, Kojo Enkoye, Oko East Africa, Enkoye, Oko South Africa, nana has xenophobic attacks, Enkoye, nana Oko the Maghreb, near friend of North Africa, Nonsua. The Arab Spring, Libya, any other. So nana all across Africa, there's no peace. And Anamakadi will say no country can develop without peace. This is the time when in Africa you hear leadership. You hear leadership. Because Nana Congo say African United me rise. It's a very crucial country. Now the first time knew about last year. Sadek Adams money sports for a story be. Ghana players do cocoa and then to Kobe Tarek Jebro Mone say Ghana embassy Bamuni ade. Nana a very interesting country. But Ghana for pay me checks. Yes, Ghana for mo yedwuma. Abrabono baby edi nipa be kono me bu Congo a omo ye ntia mo mpa say indigenous. What mema the exclusive angles kakra metim dia ma for now na eni. On Donald Trump ni deportation no kodwo me de me makaza Trump no ye no. Me who issue be our home. That's why I saw one excesses. Because on my beard there, me metie me pay ba me hefie kane. And to your madam for bina se mema bibi akojo matiti ni nyere from ne aka no na me nua me no wache. Nti country bia you need to look inward first. And na Ghana see ye. Nti me prof me was police or the buy na me yen do fear some. That is most important. The only thing me afraid kakran say kojo unsa bruche no extremist activities ni kakra wo ho. E won say me hu say na me kana be nice. Unsa na no mo mpo asem kakra. Se na ebi nkombo ye wo famu na ebi kura na ye nkokun na ye me hu wachi ni sa na manema ni na important. Na me hwe remittances data no. Kojo num say 2024 nko a. Ye nuan me wa bruche skom na me nka US nko a. Skom de bre Ghana no. Roughly almost $1 billion. And there's a link there. Remittances are in your bruche de brain and a million. Yeah, 30 million pay. Banana debia Africa chart and the country said more remittances. Na Ghana was top 5. If you never foreign direct investment, Ghana was top 5. There's a difference between remittances and foreign direct investment. Foreign direct investment here, investors say by krum, edisika beshe mining. Kojo ati ati. And remittances omo ye dwuma diske bro mu fiefo abedi. Na kojo say Ghana was top 5 material say your population of just 32 to 35 million no. You depending more owo enuane me wa bruchire so. And say oninkrata na IC4 yi eche no. Na de na ba baka. Na redundancy. Say state ni be more social intervention programs so.
Yeah.
because nipa na when done so ma kakra de kakra ba ma de nya duane to o to duane di no oni nkrata ye bo na ba so nana Trump way it has a lot of implications for us but nana is the time we also need to think about ourselves say kwabem na me hu de teba for barometer 68% of Ghanaians are contemplating leaving the country for barometer in fact 78 of the most educated kwabem PhD for masters for 78 for say munya mo be 8 out of 10 and a business what is the business environment can you do business and survive that is the issue can you do business and survive so school how is the education system like na me say PhD Ghana how am I get bottom amenye collect chance or no problem ade kure so hwem no ma academic aso no problem bi so all these things have you created a congeniality na hwe sika man for say so they come connection man okota chima ni brekuma per information me check DW documentary na say business o omu recruit boys no na do makofa Niger akofa Tunisia no makofa Mediterranean so no mu ko Spain ni Italy why have you created a congeniality for the Ghanaian youth now Ghanaian youth no say people so robotics states in between my resources had be what is the business environment adwuma wo ho because kwadwo je live your mind man wonya dwuma kra no untimi survive and akra kuma so pay 2000 obe hard dancing kwadwo tedwe so ana me ka so structure economy no eno na ebrofo nipa no we school no we ka university no ono nya busuanity me kwadwo me na be ma pani yes 6 kwadwo be ma pani o me ni second born phone gumachi me ne ba connect direct enti ko twum no de mama no me hwe nipa fu human being direct o me mama ne baba tias kojo wo na mfofo enti nipa no be hadan ene ye rent te sen look at our housing sector obi kwabro chiro benya ba bia rent atena mu kama ye wo 1.8 million housing deficit Ghana penny missing state housing social housing asokema mponde okwa ne abo 10 billion na teacher ni no 10 billion akodo komu nsi bi so all these little things na teacher ni no nya connection bom ma na gum Vietnam na say teachers in Vietnam omko baby omudua mo no Turkmenistan Vietnam wo panom connection abo omko because kwadwo wono kwa there's a housing system the pension ni bibia even kwadwo hwe teacher for stories o mo ka kire obitimi kira de 30 years 35 your pension na man di freezer obekọ senate ni sika no kwenu 100,000 na kwadwo na wo payi buankra kras asiata half lot cry say so all these things we need to look at it and tell me who say mama yarega so mu be create pension before MPs no na me hu asem kra men kan kire no oh no na no mo person mo kire say why MP 4 years na nyama yes gracia no eno nya enough and as a majority whipper majority leader will buy the 5 top conditions the Ghanaians itemize in all the researchers there's nothing about MP's pension and on a quarter now or say they are thinking about pension a pension scheme for MPs
how many years
no we are Juma journalist we had 4 years am I yes gracia military teacher ni be na yedma for some man gracia some more be thinking about pension scheme na so many the top 5 issues the Ghanaian raised to the election unemployment mebuni ni adwuma okromu ha 2 roles and roles is important trade and commerce nipa ne dom nu weyeji na kwanya no amfa ama krofo mu ameto na adwuma say kwanyuma 1 minute na adwuma no ebe na koso ama no the next issue was about healthcare and the quality of education Ghana need to mean hospital papa bi enko they don't have the best of access to education mo some be dream pension scheme ama MPs you see na saadi we no mo ya ayana ema youth no certain na he ne dey dey chairman sabonso so ame mutu nso chairman sabonso you know his glory Tennessee was so ame so they should be careful Nana Trump had no media mini issue but we must understand why Ghanaians 68% educated 78% want to leave the country. There are reasons why they want to leave, and let's try and mitigate those things.
All right,
that is my submission.
Eugene Osei-Tutu, our